Camping at festivals is a big part of the summer for many of our members. The food stalls there are brilliant, but it can get expensive if you eat at them for every meal. So I've come up with a few quick snack hacks that can be made simply and quickly on a single gas stove and with one frying pan. For any pizza-loving children or adults out there, you can make a super quick quesadilla, which is a flour tortilla, some tomato paste on the top, sprinkling of cheddar cheese and a few mixed herbs. So you get your flour tortilla, have a good squidge of tomato paste on it, spread it around with a knife, make any kind of pattern you want, and then big handful of cheese, and if you're feeling fancy, some mixed herbs. If you can be bothered to carry them in your backpack, just adds a bit of flavour. With your second tortilla, squidge some more tomato paste on, give it a wipe around, and then pop it on the top, and then just heat that probably for a couple of minutes on each side. You just want to brown it. Halfway through, give it a flip, and let it melt again on the other side. And then all you need to do is just to cut it into wedges and serve it up.